అందరికీ నమస్కారం सबको नमस्कार Waterfall or traditional project management course chapter 4 is Agile project management. It includes number 1 Waterfall and Agile project methodologies, number 2 burndown charts, number 3 sprint retrospective meeting, number 4 daily scrum, number 5 sprint review meeting, number 6 Asana tool, number 7 sprint backlog, number 8 product backlog. These all details about Agile project management. This Agile project management course we will learn in next vlog. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section and subscribe the channel also. Thanks for your support. Jai Hind.